Hello everybody and welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm gonna be playing Universe Sandbox and I'm gonna try to make the most Earth-like planet there is. Doesn't it need to orbit an orange dwarf? I've heard it needs to orbit an orange dwarf. I'm gonna search up how big those are because apparently that's like what makes the most the best planets. Orange dwarfs. Okay, so 0.5 to 0.85. So it's apparently, if you guys see something that's 0.5 to 0.8, here we go, something like this. This is the best type of star. It's an orange dwarf with a habitable zone, some light, and then if I try to I'm just gonna see how good this will be. Yeah, so this isn't the best star of all time. Its luminosity is a bit low, I realize. Let's change that. His luminosity is crazy, bro. These are too big. These are too big. Something like this. Is this luminosity better? Isn't this the one I just took? Oh man, none of these luminosities are Alpha Centauri A. Isn't this? I'm just gonna use Alpha Centauri A. How big is this luminosity? 1.48. The sun. The habitable zone will be a bit bigger. So let's see where the perfect habitable zone for life is. So if I pick Earth, it's probably 1.1 AU still. So I'ma just create like multiple planets in their habitable zone. Jeez. I wanna see how this one looks. Hold on. I'm just gonna create multiple planets here. Here we go. Let's see if we find one that's good. This one, no. I want to find one that's already filled with water. So this will be. Oh, there we go. Oh, baby, that's sweet. Oh shit, this one is also sweet. This one too. Which one is? Because apparently I've heard that this one is humongous. Holy. This one's a bit too humongous. Let's just... I don't know why this one has got so much. That's why. That is why. Okay. Let's swiftly move this one to a 1 year orbit, and then let's make it 1.2 masses of Earth. Let's just remove the other one, shall we? For the simulation to run way better. For you guys that don't know, oh wait, I think, okay, never mind. I was gonna say for those who don't know what this game is, and then I realized I showed it at the start. Let's change its surface it's got carbon. It needs more ammonia. It needs to not have ammonia, and then it needs to have, okay, its water is crazy. Change that to 1.3 masses atmospheres of Earth, and then it needs to have one atmosphere layer. Change that to like 16 degrees. Let's see how it turns out now. Will this become an ice ball? I don't know. It will increase actually, because the atmosphere keeps on getting this. Ooh, wait, how warm can it get? 14 months. There's a decrease here. Does it go down to 17? Nope. Let's trade 1.3 years. This, how far down does this go? Does this go down to 10 degrees? Ooh, hang on. This might be perfect, actually. Or I believe our Earth is too cold for life to start, ideally. I heard that it needs to be a little more tropical for life to be ideal. So let's change the orbital period to approximately 1.25 years. Does it go up to 17? No, it goes up to 16. So it's actually freezing cold in most of these. Let's see. It hasn't got any oxygen or nitrogen. So layers and then percent atmosphere. 71% carbon dioxide. Jeej. Let's add new material. Add a bit of nitrogen. I said 70 nitrogen, 70 nitrogen, 72 nitrogen, 73 nitrogen. Something like that. And then let's try to have 12% oxygen. 12% oxygen. Like 1% of that. 14, blah 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 blah. This is pretty good. Let's see how this changed. I believe this will be too cold now. Does it get too warm there at one point? What is its thingy saying? Its rotational is needs to be 1 day. How likely of life is this place? 30.5. What can I do to make this even more habitable? What can I actually do? I don't know. Wait, what did I say it was? 30.5. Let's try to... its atmosphere is getting too thick again. I might just change it to 2 atmospheres of Earth. It immediately just becomes really thick. It goes up to 58.7. However, I believe this will be fucked now. Let's see. 69% nitrogen. This is a bit too high. 0.1% carbon dioxide. This is really good, actually. This is really good. 59.1. Because of this. Can you not experience a runaway greenhouse effects, please? Can you, like, not? Let's change this to 44% or something like that. Maybe let's increase. Yeah, I need it to not increase. 30%. 36. 36 is pretty perfect. However, we're gonna change this to something like that. How high is this now? 72%. Let's give it a gauss. 1 gauss. How much is that? That's nothing. Wait, radius of Earth is 3.72. Yeah, that's pretty good. I don't know if this will make a difference, but let's just add a moon to it. The moon will be... Wait, what's that? Ganymede. Here we go. Ganymede is a moon to it. Like, that close. Okay. I don't know if that will make a difference. Maybe the tides will become a bit unstable. 13.9. How does Ganymede... Oh, yeah, wait. This will get water now. Will this be too close though? This increase or decreases life habitability. 72.3. How can I make this? Wait, does it have any? Voila! Voila. This looks quite good, apart from the fact that it's very cold here. I think that's what's holding it back from becoming even more. And maybe it's no way. I don't actually know how I could fix that without leafing it all over, bruh. 91. It is decreasing though. It is not decrease enough. I think it's decreasing over the years. Because this is very, very cold. Very cold. Wait, what happens if I give it even more carbon dioxide? Wait, it's actually increasing in life habitability though. I'll need to give this even more carbon dioxide, I think. Let's make it like the 0.16. Something like that. What was it before? 72 point something. 70 point. Does it get to 70? It goes down and then up. What is its thingy? Motion. Collation. Oh god, did I just destroy this completely? Just destroyed it completely, bruh. Unclean. Oh god, no. How do I? Is there a way to go back? I want to go back. I want to go back. I want to go back. Is there a way to go back in time? Is there a way to go back in time? Delete. Is there? I'm gonna search up now. So BRB. Wait. Is there a way to go back in time on Universe Sandbox? Control Z. Control Z. Is this even changing anything? I don't know if this is changing anything. Oh god, no. Control Z. Oh my god, man. Let's try to make it orbited again. We will try to fix this as it was. Auto orbit. Its orbit is a bit bad. True anomaly. There it just continues. Longitude. Inclination. How inclined should it be? It's going the other way. What if I change it to 0? Here we go. Is this also 0? Something like that. Okay, so now I just need to move this. Is it still as habitable? It's actually still as habitable. Let's move. How do I change this? It's not inclination, it's a true anomaly. And then I go back to this, and then can I make it auto orbit? Oh, it was in it for a bit. It was in it for a bit. I need to catch it lacking again. I need to catch it lacking again. Hold on, hold on, guys. I'm working this thing. Inclination. It was not. It was true anomaly. Hold on. Surely. Wait, is it not orbiting right now? Come on. Auto orbiting, moon orbiting, bits, flip, man, auto orbit. Far, man. Okay, wait. Does it look? Ooh, wait, is that water? That's water right there. Ooh, shit. Okay. True anomaly. Ganymede. So it needs to be like there or something. Da 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 da. Something like there or something. Now this will catch up because it's got closer. So then I need to. Once it's really close, I can do. Oof. Okay, wait. Orbital period 1.2 years. 1.2. 1.21. 1.23. Here we go. And then I can auto orbit 1 month. Let's just change it to 1 month. How close is it? How close is it in? That's not motion. 7 days. I feel like that's good. I feel like that's really good. Is this good for the planet too? 72.3. It actually didn't change anything. Oh, it got up to 72.5 because it's getting warmer here, I think. Wait, what if we change this to? Wait, I wanna change this to 1.2. Does the moon go with it? Wait, 1.2 and then 1.2, 1.1 apparently, and then just make it auto orbit this, and then oh god, it was orbiting way too far away. Let's just check this out real quick. 70.0 flip. It's going down to. We made it worse. I'm done with this. Wait, I want to get this to be habitable too. Let's see how badly we can make this. Surface, set liquid. Plus 10 the temperature. Let's just temperature 1 is 150. Period 1 day. Let's. I feel like we need to create an atmosphere that's good enough. So Earth dry 0.2, I'd say. And then let's just change the composition of it real quick. Percent 66% nitrogen dioxide, 23 14% oxygen, 14% oxygen. Carbon dioxide, nitrogen, sea level needs to increase a bit. Still isn't good enough in this. It's still way too cold. What is its composition? Wait, no, what is its life availability? 10.5%. And it's increasing, because this is melting. Never mind, it's not melting. How does it rotate? Oh, man. Okay, I give up. Y'all have a good one. Peace out.